when this Korea opportunity came in, it was literally not in my plan, honestly. Because I used to just manifest and think when I used to watch K dramas and be like, it would be great if I can do something like that for my country. But I didn't actually think that it would happen because there's nobody who has done it before. I was getting a lot of offers, but it was not what I wanted. Like, I'm that visionary, like, I'm like, this is my vision, I will stick to my vision and I'll not compromise. If Siddharth is one of those friends from the industry who's been my constant friend for about 6-7 years, and ऐसे हुए times where हमने बात नहीं की 3-4 महीने, not because we have fought or anything, just because he's been busy, I've been busy. वो tough हो जाता है when you're two actors because our timelines can sometimes not match. Everybody I know, like Avneet is doing so well and Jannat's doing so well. Everybody, all my friends that I know, there's no competition because I'm like, again, it's not a rat race, it's a race individual. Yeah, and I'm like, yeah, we all started so early, we're all doing great in our personal lives and I'm so proud of them, honestly. I'm really proud of Gen Z because I see so many people have just become self-employed at the age of merely like 18-19, which is like such a great aspect. If you see, social media has created job opportunities, social media has made people like self-dependent, and it's incredible what people are achieving just from like creating content by themselves, being so like literally they have the camera, they're the own director, their own writer and everything. So I'm really proud of them. हाँ ना, अनुष्का सेन नहीं जाती, वहाँ पाखी जाती है. If you understand what I mean. When they see me after so many months or sometimes years, like my nana nani, when I go to Jamshedpur, उनके लिए अनुष्का सेन द एक्टर नहीं आती है, उनके लिए पाखी आती है जो नानू के साथ ये लूडो खेलती है, पत्ते खेलती है, नानी के साथ सब्जी बाजार जाती है, वो वाली अनुष्का जाती है वहाँ पे. Hi, this is me, Anushka Sen, and I'm with Shubhojit. And I had a great conversation, very candid, very honest, and we have spoken about so many things. Please, I really hope that you watch it and subscribe to his channel and just give it a lot of love like you do.
Ladies and gentlemen, हमारे इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा कहा जाता है कि when people make sort of commitments, 90% लोग निभाते नहीं है. People say कि यार मैं करूँगा, ये करूँगी, वो करूँगी, but eventually they don't keep their promises. But वो जो 10% का जो faction है, that very little faction, उसमें अगर एक personality 100% fit होती है तो वो है अनुष्का सेन. The reason being कि जब से मैंने मेरा चैनल चालू किया तब से लेके अब तक, every time in whatever way I have kind of sought support from her, and she's always been there. So सबसे पहले I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart because that really means a lot, and I'll tell you why your success feels like a personal success to me as well. एक तो देखो हम लोग का Bengali connection है. I gel very well with your father as well whenever we speak. And I remember we used to love recommending those movies वगैरह and all those kind of stuff से लेके. So which is why your success today feels very personal to me.
Right.
Doing international projects, shining bright like a diamond here in the Indian film industry as well. I want to understand how has your psyche as an artist evolved over the years, because with age comes maturity, and with maturity comes experience.
Right.
With experience also evolves your understanding of things, right? How has that evolved in terms of approaching work?
First of all, I have to say I literally got emotional the way you have started this interview. But I really appreciate it. Like you were talking about that 10% thing that that people commit to things and they actually, keep their promises. But there's also very few people who accept that. It's so sad that you do things for people, but then if they're not accepting or they don't acknowledge it, then you feel like, oh, but you don't do it for the acknowledgement, but it's nice sometimes to get the acknowledgement. So thank you for that.
How sweet.
And I'm so proud of you as a fellow Bong. You are doing so well, you're shining, and when you started this, I told you that you're one of those people who are like so casual and also supportive and very real, and I'm really proud of you, and I really hope that Touchwood you shine brighter and get even bigger stars on your channel.
कितना blush कर रहा हूँ देख रहे हो ना? This is the दोस्ती कोई dilemma नहीं है इस दोस्ती में. That is what it is. That I can 100% say. Plug in.
Maybe it's the color of my kurta. It's just coming. The pink. But talking about the psyche, I mean, this journey has taught me so much. It's become literally everything about my life is all about my work. Honestly, I constantly am thinking about my work 24/7, and in a very healthy way. I'm obsessed with it. I love what I do, and over the past few years, I've met so many people. I've done so many projects, and it has helped me grow as an individual. My maturity. People always tell me that they have a feeling that I'm not 21 when I speak or something
Yeah.
like that. But it's just simply because I've just got that exposure. What people get now, I've just done that a few years back, and it's helped me to take better decisions, be not that indecisive, because I
Yeah.
used to be indecisive, but now I'm that person who believes in myself, believes in my gut feeling. I think that has been the biggest achievement for me, is that just believing in yourself, because if you do that, then I think you're almost unstoppable.
Absolutely. You know, there are so many things to talk about, but you mentioned your age right now. I want to integrate my next question with her age. Age तुम्हारा 21 है, but followers almost double है. That is what I can say. And I know a lot of people who also do great work, but वो जो social media following है, वो level पे explode नहीं होता. Of course, they're doing great in their own space.
Right.
A lot, kind of elder to her as well, but वो level का following नहीं आता. मुझे
जी.
बताओ, what do you credit this to? Because this is like even some time back as well, the way paparazzi showed their love to you, they had come as well
So
over here.
sweet,
आप लोग
yeah.
खुद ने शायद देखा भी होगा social media pages पे. So that is the kind of turnout, when they know कि Anushka Sen आ रही है इधर, even the paps want to go out there and experience that little bit of conversation with you. What do you credit this to? Because this is magnanimous. मैं अच्छे मैं बोलूँगा, seniors, what people who are senior, मैं उनके लिए भी कभी-कभी ये turnout नहीं देखता. And you know that for a fact, right?
Absolutely,
What do you credit this entire love faction to?
I think it's just the fans. I cannot give the credit to anybody else. I don't even take the credit myself. I don't think I'm doing something differently, because social media is not rocket science. Honestly, people
Yeah.
think it is, but I take it very simply. I don't take it very seriously. But the kind of love that the fans give, unconditional and so pure, and the range of age that I see
Oh,
is
yes,
just
most important.
incredible. The most important,
Yeah.
because when you see that there's a child probably like 12, 13 years old who's like, I've watched you since I was even younger,
Yeah.
to people who are my age who are like, I can relate to you, Anushka, we're all going through the same thing. And then there are older people who are like, we would love our daughters to be like you, or our children to be like you. So that whole range actually makes me feel really confident when I go walk into a set. I'm like, okay, there are these, it's not the number, but it's the kind of love that you guys give me that makes me feel very confident and very content with myself. And it makes me feel like, I think as actors, what we crave the most, more than awards, more than fame, is just validation. Because कलाकार, I think I read it somewhere, or somebody said that कलाकार सिर्फ अपनी कला दिखा सकता है.
Yeah.
So and that's what we do. And when you get that validation, when you get that love back, it makes you feel like I'm gonna give my 200%, I'm gonna give my 300%. And just the bond with my fans that I've created over the past few years on social media, all over the world, it's incredible. Hands down, I think the whole credit goes to my fans. I just try to be, as constant as possible. I try to be as real as possible, and I think that's working. So I'm really glad for that. Talking about seniors who don't
Yeah.
have following on social media, I think the seniors that I've worked with, they do not need social media, because they are veterans. Like Tanvi Azmi ma'am,
Yeah.
she's on social media. Shishir sir is not. Shishir Sharma. They are like people who are veterans. If they're on social media, great. If they're not, same thing for
Doesn't
me.
matter.
Yeah, because I feel they are like those people who do not need.
Credibility इतना तगड़ा है कि you don't need that.
Exactly. Like Nasiruddin Shah sir. Like I've never worked with him, but I'm like, he is that person. He's
Institution in himself.
yeah. So for him, if he's on social media, good for us that we can see more of him. But
Yeah.
if he's not, I think he doesn't need it. You
Yeah,
know. So
yeah.
I feel that, and I have major respect for all the seniors. And whenever they ask me, how do you have so many followers? How are you so big on social media? I feel like, oh my god, like delighted, because that's something that has come up in the past few years. Pehle social media tha nahi. When I started acting, social media wasn't there.
Yeah.
But now that it's become like an integral part of our lives, and we have to admit that it goes hand in hand with acting, and it's helping. So if you're good with it, if you're a social person,
Yeah.
if you're enjoying it, then you should do it. But there's some of my friends who are my age, but they're antisocial. They don't like being on social media. So I'm like, nahi, don't force yourself to do it.
हाँ, force मत करो. If it comes naturally, then you go ahead and do
because
it.
then it becomes toxic.
Yeah, very, very rightly said, because that element is also there.
True.
I want to know कि today, touchwood, by God's grace, you're getting all sorts of good projects in
Yeah.
international space as well.
Yeah.
South Korea to begin with, which I believe is one of the most popular markets all over the globe because everybody enjoys Korean dramas and all that stuff. So I think जो ज़्यादा popular होता है उसको crack करना भी उतना मुश्किल होता है, right?
Absolutely.
What I want to know is that now you have cracked and you have got an audience base over there. But I also want to know, I'm sure you must have also been through that phase जब शायद you were trying and you were trying to get through that, but you were not getting to. I mean, उस time पे you were doing good work in the Indian entertainment space. तो किसी को पता ही नहीं था कि शायद कोरिया में she is trying, but she is not getting that success.
Correct.
Eventually जब success मिला, the world knows.
Right.
I want you to talk about that phase कि जब तुम international projects के लिए भी simultaneously try कर रहे थे, when things were not working out, how did you hold on to your grit and determination? And then eventually when things worked up that way, of course it was double bonanza for you.
Absolutely. See, I feel as an actor, at least for me, I would say my opinion, I feel we're constantly thinking about what's next. Like, I'm that person. Like, I had the Dosti Dilemma coming up this year, and I knew that it's a very big project for me. It's a Prime Video, and I'm the protagonist of that show. It's doing really well, touch wood. But you as an actor can't sit back and relax that, okay, now Dil Dosti Dilemma has come, I'm gonna relax. Like, it doesn't happen with me because I'm a very go-getter person. Like I said, that 24/7 I'm thinking about my career. Chal raha hai. Like constantly I'm like, what can I do better? What can I do next? It's a constant hustle. And if you're passionate about something, I think आप उसी के बारे में सोचते रहते हो. So I'm always like that go-getter. I'm always a hustler where I'm figuring out what to do next, what can I do better, what can I do new. And when this Korea opportunity came in, it was literally not in my plan, honestly. Because I used to just manifest and think when I used to watch K-dramas and be like, it would be great if I can do something like that for my country. But I didn't actually think that it would happen because there's nobody who has done it before.
Yes.
Like Priyanka Chopra ma'am or Deepika Padukone ma'am, Alia Bhatt now they're all going to Hollywood. They're like taking the India name even higher. With their art and with their talent and everything, and I'm so proud of them. I get so inspired by them. But this South Korea thing, nobody really went there, so I really didn't think it would happen. But I was always manifesting. I'm a manifester. I believe in manifestations, and it just worked out. And 1.5 years ago, the journey started, and now I'm the ambassador for Korea Tourism, and I've already started the shoot for Asia. So when the question that you asked, that when you're not getting the success, I think that happens a lot of times as an actor. Like before the Prime show happened, I was like, why? I have to get the right script. I was getting a lot of offers, but it was not what I wanted. Like I'm that visionary. Like I'm like, this is my vision. I will stick to my vision and I'll not compromise.
Very important.
It's very important because if you have a vision and you stick to it, I feel that success will come because you're believing in it. Yeah. So I was like, why is not happening? Why am I not getting that one right script where I can just go for it? And then came this. But you have to constantly, you can't give up hope, because you have to be like that person who's constantly just waiting, manifesting, working on yourself. And that's what I am. And I constantly believe that if you're true to yourself, true to your art, then you'll just eventually get success.
Get it done.
Yeah.
We talk about youth icons, but वो youth icons जो होते हैं ना, वो तो youth से थोड़े बड़े होते हैं, but ये one of those youth icons है जो youth ही है, but फिर भी youth icon है. So that is what I can say for her very well. When I talk about youth icon, I just don't mean popularity. I also talk about a lot of other things, and I mean a lot of other things, like say your own self-branding, the way you grow your empire, right? In terms of say, your finances, bolo, or the kind of things that you do, like in terms of property, etc. हमारे इंडिया में usually the concept is generally that कि यार एक एज तक हम लोग सिर्फ पढ़ाई करेंगे, उसके बाद काम ढूंढेंगे. I'm talking about the general mindset. Okay, of course there are exceptions, but the general mindset है कि यार 23-24 तक तो आराम से थोड़ा पढ़ाई कर लेंगे, उसके बाद जाके we'll start working, and perhaps वो जो money minded approach है, that perhaps will start after 25 or after 30, right? But eventually, for you, I'll tell you why you are such a classic inspiration in that space is because by the age that you are right now, you have built an empire, right? And it takes a lot to do that, in terms of the kind of lifestyle you have created for yourself. It's not given, right? तुमको ये वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, like सियासत में नहीं मिला. You have created it for yourself, right? So everybody, आज बोलो या 10 years, 15 years down the line, people will always say that Anushka Sen is a self-made artist, right? What I want to know is that when you are at that young age, of course, often you don't have that certain knowledge, like how I maintain my finances, how I grow it. you know how I do my own brand building.
Yeah.
ये सब knowledge तुमको कहाँ से and कब से मिलना चालू हुआ? Because as an artist you're focused in your work, right?
Yes.
Which is good scripts, getting
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
But ये सब भी बहुत equally important है.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
How did you get that knowledge? Did your parents help you to understand all this, or perhaps did you, you know, kind of like जो दूसरों का भी होता है कि they read and see other
Right.
people का interviews. What
Right.
was your knowledge का source for all this?
See, I feel, like I said, that us actors, we constantly are thinking about 95%. I would say you're only thinking about your craft and about your performance, about what I can do better, or
Yeah.
about scripts and stuff. But this whole finances part is something which is very integral part of our lives, of course. But because I started at very young age, and my parents have been my biggest supporters, you know that,
Of course.
and everybody knows that at this point. That without them, I wouldn't be
Uncle, a
anywhere.
huge shout out to you and
Huge
मम्मा को
shout
भी, but
out.
uncle को personally बात भी होता है तो like uncle के लिए अलग से shout out.
No, but genuinely big shout out, because they are those people who have always been, constantly supporting me and always helping me to figure out things. Because for them also, it was very new. Nobody from our family is from this industry. They're all great at what they do. My mom is a classical singer. She has done Visharad. And my dad is from IT background. My mom is also from IT background. And they're great, okay? Hands down, very intelligent family. Like, so proud of them. But when they saw, like, okay, and I'm an only child doing something so different, so abstract, imagine how scared they must have been. Like, they must have been like, oh my god, she's going into something which is such a, it's like unknown fear is more scarier than
Yes.
anything else, right?
तो पता ही नहीं है direction का क्या है.
Right, जैसे खतरों की खिलाड़ी आपको पता ही नहीं किससे डर लग रहा है, but so it's like that. So they trusted themselves. They had that, confidence that no, wherever she's going, we'll be there, we'll support her. And that's why now I've been here. The empire, the legacy that I'm trying to build is because of them. So finances and everything is something that my dad specifically has always taken care of. And even now, I literally don't know how much I earn, what paisa, where, kahan se kya aa raha hai. I have no idea. What my dad does is that he always tells me we're going to invest in like assets. That's important. कि liabilities से ज़्यादा आप assets में खर्च करो, ताकि in the future it's just, you have a secure future. And that's why we now have a high-rise building. We have an apartment. We are shifting very soon. So all of this my dad takes care of. My mom also, like they both are like, हाँ नहीं, assets पे हम लोग invest करेंगे, because we want कि future में you should be like, हाँ,
Correct.
I'm there. So I don't know how much I earn, but I can see my house and I'm like, okay, I'm doing well.
चल रहा है अच्छे से, by God's grace everything is fine.
And even now when deals come, I'm like, I don't want to discuss money. You tell me the script and money, mom, dad
Papa
are there.
discuss कर
And I think that's the best. So that I take decisions based on the creative part and not the money part. So they are always there for that.
You know, I was just seeing, I think 2 या 3 दिन पहले मैं एक, normally we search a lot of reels, right? तो एक reel आया था वहाँ पे, it was not you,
Yeah.
but the concept was कि एक इंसान बहुत ही swag walk करके आगे जा रहा है, and there are a lot of people around just constantly staring at them.
Okay.
And the quote was, when you enter a room,
Yeah.
as the most successful person in your entire bloodline history, you're getting it? So because everybody is so, awed by your presence and सक्सेस की, बिकॉज किसी को पूरे ब्लड लाइन में उतना सक्सेस नहीं मिला होगा या फिर उतना फेम नहीं मिला होगा जितना उस इंसान को मिला, विच इज व्हाई कोई फैमिली गैदरिंग होता है, व्हेन दे एंटर, दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ लव एंड एडुलेशन दे रिसीव. आई एम श्योर इट्स क्वाइट सिमिलर टू यू एज वेल. आई एम श्योर आपके जो एंसेस्टर्स वगैरह, दे मस्ट हैव डन ग्रेट इन देयर ओन वे, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ पॉपुलैरिटी नोबडी हैज गॉट दैट, राइट? सो व्हेन यू गो इनटू दोस फैमिली गैदरिंग्स, व्हाट इज इट लाइक? आर योर रिलेटिव्स काइंड ऑफ charmed and awed by your presence कि अरे यार बाप रे स्टार आ गई, ये आ गई, वो आ गई, क्या होता है? Because I'm sure वो same vibe is there. How is it like?
वहाँ ना अनुष्का सेन नहीं जाती, वहाँ पाखी जाती है. If you understand what I mean. When they see me after so many months or sometimes years, like my nana nani, when I go to Jamshedpur, उनके लिए अनुष्का सेन द एक्टर नहीं आती है, उनके लिए पाखी आती है, जो नानू के साथ ये लूडो खेलती है, पत्ते खेलती है, नानी के साथ सब्जी बाजार जाती है, वो वाली अनुष्का जाती है वहाँ पे. तो वहाँ पे मुझे वो सेलिब्रिटी ट्रीटमेंट मिलता नहीं है, एंड मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं, क्योंकि वहाँ मुझे लगता है कि बाकी ही जानी चाहिए. टॉकिंग अबाउट एप्रिसिएशन, ऑब्वियसली ना वो तो होना ही है, क्योंकि उन्हें प्राउड फील होता है. लाइक माई नानी, हमारे शो में दिल दोस्ती डिलेमा में नानी एंड पोते का वो रिलेशनशिप है. सो आई स्पोक टू माई नानी एंड आई वाज लाइक, কেমন লাগলো, हाउ डिड यू फील अबाउट द शो? शी इज जस्ट हैप्पी दैट I am on her TV. मतलब उनके लिए कि अरे पाखी को हम टीवी पे देख रहे हैं, वो ही बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Such a gratifying feeling,
Yeah,
मतलब
she
I can
doesn't
imagine.
care about what the plot is, what I'm doing, how many followers I have. It's not that. बस वो खुश है, वो आ रही है टीवी पे. When I do a brand deal also, no, like on Instagram, वो
Yeah.
Facebook पे देखते
हाँ,
हैं,
हाँ, हाँ.
वो उसी में खुश हो जाते हैं. So for them, it's so, I appreciate that so much. Imagine वो उतना ही रिस्पेक्ट, मुझे उतनी ही खुशी या प्यार देते हैं जितना वो मतलब एक छोटे से 15 सेकंड वीडियो में मैं करूँ या मैं पूरा एक सीजन करूँ, प्यार सेम ही रहता है. सो आई अप्रिशिएट दैट. ऑल माय रिलेटिव्स इन रांची, कोलकाता, जमशेदपुर, दे ऑल ट्रीट मी लाइक देयर लिटिल वन. एंड अरे अभी आइए, क्या खिला सकते हैं, क्या, वो जैसे रिलेटिव्स होते हैं ना, कि क्या चल रहा है, ये वो, बट ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएटिंग मी एंड ऑलवेज मतलब वो एक होता है ना कि आर्मी ऑफ पीपल की सब बॉन्ग्स हैं मेरे साथ पीछे कि और आगे बढ़ो एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो इट्स वेरी स्वीट.
And exactly, bongs have that feel, which is why they feel कि यार हमारे community से कोई अगर आगे बढ़ रहा है या बढ़ रही है, we feel कि naturally proud, and that's why I said कि personal success feel होता है when she gets good things going. मेरे खुशी में, मेरे शक्ल पे वो खुशी अपने आप आ जाता है, and I know because that's always there. That's always the emotions that people have.
Right.
You know what I want to know is that कि again I want to talk about something. When I call you a youth icon, it's not just about the kind of work that you do in the acting space, but also how you manage yourself on a regular basis, right? When you are young, you know you are also vulnerable to certain things which can be sort of distraction from your regular work, right? But you know, I think asli हाँ, but asli I believe you know discipline बोलो, determination बोलो, वही इंसान रख पाता है जिसको अपने मकसद के बारे में अच्छे से पता होता है.
बिल्कुल.
I want to know that you know as far as the distractions that are perhaps there in the youth, उस सब से तुम कैसे अपने आप को अलग करके रखती हो? Because it's again very natural. कुछ शायद you know you might want to go out and hang out for parties etc.
Right.
Because that is again refreshing. But then you are somebody who always thinks about work 24/7, right? So how do you ensure कि वो balance रहे कि मैं काम तो करूँ but at the same time I always feel refreshed.
Absolutely.
Because I don't want to go to say a set or a project you know with a tired mindset, right? So वो balance कैसे करते हो? Ensuring that discipline factor, because I want others to learn as well who also, because अभी देखो influencing का ज़माना है and everything, people learn, people can become you know get that sort of stardom you know overnight. But उसको maintain कैसे करते हो is the discipline, right?
Absolutely.
So I want you to talk about that part.
See, I feel talking about discipline, it comes to me very naturally. Like nobody has to tell me that be disciplined, wake up early, go to your job. Because I think if you're passionate about what you do, एंड वो भी मतलब नसीब होना चाहिए कि आप वो काम करते हो जो आप करना चाहते हो. लॉट ऑफ पीपल सैडली दैट्स द ट्रूथ दैट उन्हें करना पड़ता है बिकॉज ऑफ द मजबूरीज दैट
they say that if you love your work you don't feel like working.
Absolutely. So I have that privilege, I would say, that God has been kind, that what I do for bread and butter, I actually genuinely enjoy it, and that's why I keep myself motivated, and discipline comes naturally to me. Talking about distractions, see now this age only is like that, distractions, vulnerabilities, that is something going to be hand in hand. But I feel because I've started working at a very young age, I've seen people, I've met people, and all of that has happened. So that understanding of what is completely wrong and what is acceptable, that understanding is there. Talking about parties, I am not a party person at all. Like I genuinely don't have like, oh chalo हाँ आज रात को party करनी. I don't know, very lazy like that. My only balance where I find is I will work very hard. I will genuinely give my 100%. Like Dil Dosti Dilemma, there have been days where we have shot like 21 hours, 22 hours, and then you know if like the entire 2 months was like hectic, and I enjoyed that. But once it's done, my parents make sure that I get to like relax, because I said no, that I'm not that person who's like, oh now this is done, I'm going to chill now. That will never happen. So my parents make sure, my friends make sure that my friends will make plans with me. Ki now you're busy, now you're free, let's go bowling, let's do time pass, let's sit and have coffee or whatever. My parents make sure that at least there's one trip that I can take whenever we have a few days off. And for credit to them, I think actors need to be surrounded by the right people, or else they will literally lose their minds, because you don't know how much somebody goes through every single day, because this is not a constant job.
True.
It's not like a 9 to 5. 9 to 5 is tough in its own place. It's no comparison. 9 to 5 is, I know
अलग pressure.
वो अलग pressure है. But talking about my industry, it's just because it's not constant. तो आपको डर लगता है कि अरे अब क्या होने वाला है. Like you're there, and then you're like everybody knows about you, your projects and everything. Suddenly you could also disappear. That fear is very scary. But so it can get toxic if you constantly are thinking about that. You have to relax, sit back and chill. That's why I work out, and that's why I hang out with my friends. I have other activities that I do when I'm free, so that I don't feel like, oh, this is the only thing that I do. So I feel that has always kept me sane. वाओ, मेरे नाम में सेन आता है, तो होपफुली
Anushka Sen.
मेरे यहाँ भी सेन रहे.
Yeah. But as I was hearing you right now in this answer,
Yeah.
मैं तुमको देख रहा था and मेरे दिमाग में एक चीज आ रहा था कि this is a person who is perhaps 21 by age,
Yeah.
but as far as mind or heart is concerned, she is 30 or 35 in terms of maturity. ठीक है? Do you feel the same about yourself?
I don't know. Everybody says that to me. All my friends also. They're like, you are like a 28, 29, 30-year-old. Somebody's called me a 40-year-old.
Because I feel, I'll tell you why I feel so, because शायद काफी तुम्हारे contemporary 21-year-olds के comparison में your experience in life in terms of how much you have traveled and seen
Yeah.
the world, interacted with different people,
Yeah.
different races,
Yeah.
the way you have worked and
Yeah.
created your own space is a lot more on an average compared to an average 21-year-old. तो इसीलिए लगता है.
I feel, मुझे लगता है उससे भी ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि कभी-कभी लोग सोचते हैं कि just because you worked so much, that's why there is this sort of a personality.
That's the other way around as well.
No, sometimes it can happen that you're just oblivious. You're not aware. So maybe there was I don't know, probably because of my mom and dad, they've always been like, there to make me understand about things in life. My friends have been really incredible. So I've always been so aware from a very young age. Like
Yeah.
from 13, I knew what I want to do. That clarity आने में ही तो टाइम लग जाता है.
23 साल में लोगों को नहीं आता.
हाँ, तो मेरे को 13 साल में हुआ कि मेरे को यही करना है. I'm going to do this. This is my
Yeah.
vision. I'm going to stick to it. Like I'm so stubborn. Maybe it's my Leo sign, or maybe it's just me as a personality. Like sometimes people are like, no, let's compromise a little bit. Let's नहीं ये हम लोग ये वाला project कर लेते हैं, this that. But I'm very picky. I'm like नहीं, मेरे vision में अगर ये है, मैं यही करूँगी. I'll work harder. I'll wait. So that clarity is important. I feel that awareness, clarity and discipline, if you have these three, then you can also be a 21-year-old with a 30-year-old mind.
I know there are a lot of other things जो कि शायद मैं अभी repeat नहीं करूँगा, because previous conversations में we have discussed like वो बोल रही है ये चीज कि the vision was clear, but उसके पीछे a lot of hard work goes. Like I'll not repeat, like say for example जब उसके board exams चल रहे थे, I know how she was on set. Simultaneously shoot जब नहीं हो रहा था, तब simultaneously makeup room में I think तुम पढ़ाई कर रही थी, right? And also another big reason why she has become the person that she is today is because of the support of her parents from that very young age.
Absolutely, 100%.
Because तुम्हारे अंदर vision हो सकता है, but still at that young age ना, you're still primarily under the control of your parents. तो अगर तुम्हारे parents बोल दे कि नहीं तुम नहीं करोगे,
फिर आप क्या ही करोगे?
90% लोगों का सपना वहाँ टूट जाता है. So I think it's a blend of your own hard work,
Yes.
your understanding and vision along with your parents' support, which is why you are there. I want to also understand कि जितना सक्सेस मिलता है उतना आई बिलीव यू आर वेरी ग्रीडी. लाइक फॉर मी एज वेल, आई लाइक मुझे अगर थोड़ा बहुत कहीं पे सक्सेस मिलता है, मैं थोड़ा और ग्रीडी हो जाता हूँ कि मैं और करूँ. ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द हार्ड वर्क दैट आई पुट इन, राइट? बट इट आल्सो समटाइम्स एड्स टू माय स्ट्रेस. एंड आई टेल यू व्हाट, मैंने एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज सुना था कुछ टाइम पहले कि स्ट्रेस जो चीज है, स्ट्रेस हम लोग को कुछ चीज करने से नहीं होता, बट स्ट्रेस हम लोग को तब होता है जब वी वांट टू डू सर्टेन थिंग्स बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट. Have you thought about it this way?
This is very deep.
So मैंने वो
Makes
सुना.
sense.
So I realized कि genuinely when I have things aligned for like say a whole month,
That's
मुझे
true,
स्ट्रेस नहीं है.
stress नहीं होता.
Because I know what I am doing, but when I
Yeah.
don't know कि यार उसके बाद क्या करने वाला, तब मुझे स्ट्रेस होता है.
That's
Is
true.
that the same
Yeah,
with
yeah,
you? And
absolutely.
how do you handle that stress or ensure कि यार दिमाग सही जगह पे रखूं? Because when you go to work,
Yeah.
people will not understand कि अनुष्का के दिमाग में क्या
Stress.
स्ट्रेस है. They will not. They will just see कि तुम काम करने आए हो, अच्छा काम करो, डिलीवर करो, फिर अपना
Correct.
जिंदगी अपना देखो.
बिल्कुल.
तो वो स्ट्रेस जो है उसको कैसे इरेडिकेट करते हो, हैंडल कैसे करते हो ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस? बिकॉज़ आई एम श्योर गिवन द काइंड ऑफ सक्सेस यू हैव,
Yeah.
द प्रेशर दैट माउंट्स, I'm sure that must be in plenty.
Absolutely, 100%. This stress line I will not forget. This every time I get stressed, I'm like, oh, because I don't have what I really want to.
And जिन लोग को भी मैंने ये चीज बोला है ना, उनका सडनली दिमाग ओपन अप हो
हाँ,
जाता है.
क्योंकि
क्या?
मैं भी ऐसे डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गई. मैंने हाँ यार ये तो सही बात है, मैंने सोचा नहीं, ऐसे
Yeah.
नहीं सोचा उसको.
Yeah.
But that's true. I think when people ask me कि the pressures of being an actor, you're a public figure, तो बहुत pressure होता होगा. I'm like वो pressure है ठीक है, but मेरे को ज़्यादा pressure मैं खुद ही देती हूँ. I feel like I'm my worst critic because
Yeah.
I'm constantly like, you know, like I think it's a good thing. Because I feel that keeps you driven and passionate for
It
your
keeps
job.
you on your toes all
Yeah,
the
it
time.
keeps you on your toes, so you don't get lethargic or lazy about your job, and also you don't take things for granted. I feel a lot of people want success, a lot of people wish for something, but then when they get it, they don't
Value it और
nurture it
वो
like that.
gratitude नहीं रहता.
हाँ, तो वो gratitude नहीं रहता, और मेरे को वो उसका बहुत पता है, because I'm like, I know how much hard work, not only one person, it's like an army of people who have worked with me. That's why I'm here, right? I can't do it alone. So when I get something, no, I nurture it, take care of it, and every character that I do, I'm like, no matter how many hours I have to do, no matter how exhausting it is, you'll never see me exhausted. Like, you'll never see me being, अरे मैं तो थक गई हूँ, अब मेरे से नहीं हो रहा. I'll never ever, like literally इतने सालों में 14 years, I've never said it that I'm tired on a set. I will be like, नहीं नहीं, let's work, touch wood. But that's why I think it becomes a little toxic when you are like longing for a job and you're not getting in, and then you're getting stressed. Now how that gets handled is, of course, my parents, I've already giving them credit. I'm like, mom, I'm getting stressed, I don't know what to do, because I really want to do something, and it's not in my hands. Shushmita Sen ma'am has said
Yes.
that I don't stress about things जिसके power मेरे हाथों में ही नहीं है.
Which is beyond my control.
Yes, which is beyond my control. It's not in my hands. So why
Yeah.
will I stress about that thing? It's not in my hands. And I love that advice. Shahrukh sir has said so many times that he was at the right place, surrounded by the right people at the right time, and that's why he's here. So when you listen to such successful people, I've had the privilege of working with MS Dhoni. He's such a calm person. He must have also faced the pressures of being like a cricket legend where everybody is watching
Billion
you
dreams
live.
riding.
Yes. So it's the pressures of that. He's still been calm. So when you see people who have had major successes, then you understand that with success comes pressure, comes responsibility. Then you're like, I'm just a blip in the universe. I need to calm down. And also gratitude keeps you grounded, because I feel there's so many people who would want to be in my position, but they can't, because it's not their journey. But I'm here, so I can't be greedy. I have to be grateful that I'm here and try to inspire people, try to help people कि वो भी मेरे
Yeah.
जगह तक आ सके. So I think that is what keeps you sane. Yeah, definitely.
Wonderfully put up. This is a podcast. We talk about different aspects, and
Yeah.
we talk about stardom, etc. But
Yeah.
another thing which I want to talk about, which is very relevant for today's generation, say 20s में जो लोग हैं या फिर early 30s में है, वो ये है कि there's this constant rat race because of which we are always running towards success. वो है because there's
Yeah.
competition around.
Yeah.
अभी क्या होता है कि say for example somebody is working 15 hours a day. अरे
Yeah.
ठीक है 15 घंटे काम कर रहा है, मैं 17 घंटे काम करूंगा, so that perhaps I can achieve that level of success more. उससे कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि the basic aspects of health, ठीक है, वो कभी-कभी compromise होता है. And I heard you saying कि there are days sometimes when you
Yeah.
shoot 21-22
Yeah.
hours in a day,
Yeah.
right? So नींद ठीक से पूरा नहीं हो पाता. And when you're sleep deprived,
Yeah.
your mind, I believe, doesn't work in the right direction.
Absolutely.
So I want you to talk about that aspect as well. Ki, it's important to chase your dreams
Yeah.
and ambitions and work very, very hard towards it.
Yeah.
But at the same time, how do you understand कि यार यहाँ पे I need to draw a line.
Yeah.
I might be chasing, but अभी मुझे थोड़ा रेस्ट ले और थोड़ा बैक सीट लेना
बिल्कुल.
चाहिए to understand and ensure कि my health in the long run doesn't get affected because nothing eventually matters.
Absolutely.
तुम्हारा हेल्थ सही रहेगा, तुम 60 साल में भी सेम लेवल ऑफ काम कर सकोगे,
बिल्कुल.
राइट? बच्चन सर is the biggest example.
Yeah.
So how do you ensure that fact? And I want you to put a loud message out there for the
Yeah.
youth as well, who are also perhaps dreamy like you,
Absolutely.
ambitious like you. उसी चक्कर में अभी एज है इसलिए उस लेवल पे कर रहे हैं, but perhaps are not realizing the health hazards that come alongside it.
Absolutely. See, I would say that I'm really proud of Gen Z, because I see so many people have just become self-employed at the age of merely like 18, 19, which is like such a great aspect. If you see, social media has created job opportunities. Social media has made people like self-dependent, and it's incredible what people are achieving just from like creating content by themselves, being so like literally they have the camera, they're their own director, their own writer and everything. So I'm really proud of them. And I understand that with that comes pressure, like you spoke about, that when you're chasing your dreams, sometimes you forget your health in the long run. But it's very important that you keep health in your mind, because there was a time when I actually had neglected my health a little bit, and I was working really really hard, and I felt sick, and it was the worst because in my mind I was like, I want to work, but my body was just not supporting me, and that's like, it's so bad to happen at the age where you're not supposed to fall sick
those
like that,
ages,
right?
yeah.
So then I understood the importance of health, and that's why I'm this person who eats cleaner, eats healthy, goes to Pilates, goes to workout, takes that rest, being at home, just sleeping correctly. After a lot of like hectic days of shoot, then I will take that 15 minutes, 15 days, 10 days off, and just be a little calmer than usual. I wouldn't take 10 days off technically, but it would be
वो दिमाग में रखता है यार क्या हो रहा है क्या
हाँ,
छूट रहा है क्या छूट रहा है
वो नहीं हो पाएगा to be honest,
Yeah,
but
I
at
think
least,
that's the case with every go getter.
Yeah, but
You're
when you're
always
a-
thinking कि यार
but-
क्या miss हो रहा है.
but if you're on a vacation, if you're like even if you're at home with your loved ones, and I think you'll just feel better with the right people, you'll just feel better. You don't even necessarily have to go somewhere to feel calm. You have to find your, actually everybody has their own calming process.
Procedure.
Somebody meditates, somebody has Pilates, somebody has just talking to their friends. So you have to find that what calms you down, and just do it. Like I'll tell you a story. Like I'll tell you how crazy I am or passionate about my job. So I was shooting for I was shooting for something else actually, and I think I had one day off in a whole month, and I was shooting for 12 hours, some days 13, sometimes 14, 15 hours a day, and it was great. I had one day off, and that day I got selected for this advertisement for WPL. It went really viral, by the way. It did
Yeah.
very very well. So WPL, and my manager's like, we have one day off, we are doing a night shoot, but we have to leave from the set directly, go to the airport, then go to this, we have to fly to this place, and then वहाँ भी आपको time नहीं रहेगा, we have to directly go on set, shoot for like 5-6 hours, and then take a flight back,
Again.
come back. You will have 2 hours of sleep, and then we'll go directly on set, and then again shoot constantly because there was no days off. I'm like, definitely. Absolutely, let's do it. I was so happy. I was like, when I was going also listening to music, and I was like charging myself up. My makeup artist like, wake up, come on, we
सिर्फ
can do
अपना
it.
एनर्जी काफी नहीं दूसरों को भी एनर्जाइज
Yeah,
करो.
absolutely. And then coming back also, I was so happy कि WPL, I'm supporting a big cause also, that women's cricket has now become such a big commercial thing. I'm so proud of it. Like
Yeah.
पहले नहीं था ना, पहले it was only men's cricket.
Yeah.
Now women's cricket has become like a legit big thing, and I being like a part of it, major part of it, I was like, oh my god, ये मैं नहीं छोड़ सकती just because of sleep. Come on. But after that shoot, like the whole month was done and all of that, I came back home, and then my parents made sure that I have rest. Like I take some rest and go back to my a little hibernation kind of a week where I'm just like with myself. Then I was hanging out with my friends, catching up with them, having lunches everywhere in Mumbai possible. I'm still doing that, but that's important. You need to know what's your calming place, and just go to that.
Average में when you're not shooting, how many hours do you sleep? And when you're say for example shooting, how many hours do you sleep? Because sleep जो है बहुत एक underrated concept of conversation है, which
Absolutely.
I believe needs to be put emphasis on.
When I sleep, then I sleep. Like then I sleep for like 10-12 hours. Then my manager also does not call me.
समझ जाती
10-12
हूँ.
hours. So she's like, नहीं
Yeah.
अभी छोड़ देते हैं.
हाँ.
Because when I shoot, then I only sleep for 4 hours, 5 hours, maximum 6 hours. That's it. But 6 hours sleep is the best.
6 hours sleep is
12
good for
hours
it.
के बाद आप उठते
Well,
हो
8
ना,
hours
आप
I
और
believe
exhausted
बच्चों
लगते
के लिए and I think 12 hours वो बच्चों के लिए होता है, but I think for average
हो.
adults
6 is best.
6 is good.
you will not wake up with a puffy
हाँ
face.
हाँ normal रहोगे.
12 घंटे बाद आप उठते हो ना, आप और थके हुए लगते हो. No, it's like, why am I feeling exhausted? I slept for 12 hours, so I try to sleep 8.
I know
9
very
hours.
well why she agrees. मुझे बताओ, it's when we talk about health, एक तो हो गया physical aspect of
Yeah.
health. Another aspect which youth icons must talk is mental part of it,
Mental,
right?
Absolutely.
And there are a lot of conversations around it nowadays. पहले शायद उतना नहीं होता था जिस
हाँ.
लेवल पे होना चाहिए था, but अभी होता है, and अभी I feel there's a lot of misinformation around mental health as well.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि because it's a trending topic of discussion, because it is,
It
we
is.
cannot ignore that fact. थोड़ा
Yeah.
सा misinformation भी है उस
Correct,
चीज को लेके,
correct.
which is why perhaps something that should be just coming off to you as a sort of responsibility.
Yeah.
उसको हम लोग बोल देते कि यार my mental health is getting spoiled.
Right.
It's a serious issue, but कभी-कभी उस चक्कर में we actually kind of demoralize the people who are actually getting
Actually
through those
going
kind of
through-
serious issues, right?
exactly.
I want you to address that कि कब तुमको समझ में आ सकता है कि no, this is a mental health issue,
Yeah,
when it is perhaps a great level of pressure but can be handled,
right.
it's not mental health.
Yeah.
How do you differentiate that, and how do you personally differentiate that, and जो तुम्हारे और हमारे एज के लोग हैं, how do you think they can draw the line in terms of understanding that?
See, yesterday only my mom said like this amazing thing. I don't know, I had something going on, and I was just talking to her, and I was like, something was going on in my mind, and I told her, Mom, what to do, and she told me this wonderful thing. She's like, you could read like a million books, you could read a million quotes, you could have people telling you that you have to get better, Anushka, don't feel like this, don't feel like that, but until and unless you tell yourself that, you give yourself advice and you actually hear it, it will not work out. For example, when I'm stressing out, no matter आप कितने बार भी मुझे बोलो कि मत स्ट्रेस ले, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, ठीक नहीं होता है. Until unless you are like, I'm
Decide.
getting stressed, this is my problem, what is the solution? ये मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, तो स्ट्रेस लेके मतलब नहीं. Let's just keep working. That's a solution for me. That is when you get better and you kind of figure out that problem. And it's such a great advice because sometimes you're like, I'm reading books, self-help book, but ये तो काम ही नहीं आ रहा.
काम ही नहीं आ रहा.
क्योंकि I've read like a million self-help books. Sometimes it really does nothing for you. Sometimes it does. When you're stressing out, na, everything
काम नहीं
goes, every advice, every quote, every reel, everything has gone to like ashes because that time you're panicking, you're just like, it's everything's gone haywire. What can get you back online is literally yourself and nobody else. And I feel mental health is such a big topic. I'm in fact grateful कि वो trending way में ही लोग बात कर रहे हैं, but I'm like at least बात तो कर रहे हैं. पहले तो उसे सीरियसली लेते ही नहीं थे कि नहीं मेंटल हेल्थ मतलब ये तो सिर्फ दिमाग का प्रॉब्लम एज इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट सेंस दे वर सेइंग. But no, mental health as an emotional health, your EQ, how that's getting affected. Because sometimes when your EQ is affected, which is emotional quotient, that affects your relationships, your friendships, your life, everything. That people were not understanding, you know. But I feel like depression ho gaya. That's such a big, scary thing, and I'm like, don't say it casually like, I was depressed. Because people who are depressed, I feel so sorry for them that they don't have people they can talk to where they can feel
Their
better.
voices are often not heard at
Yeah,
times.
and you can't see a person and you will never figure out if they're depressed or not. They might look like the happiest people on the planet, but they might be probably the saddest person. But that's why I'm like, you have to focus on yourself. You have to be self-obsessed like that. And try to be kind. Try to be like just a nice person in general. Like people on the gram, I'm like, just be kind to each other because you don't know what somebody is going through. Like somebody must be looking happy on social media. You have put a bad comment commenting on their, I don't know, looks or something, their talent or whatever, because you're like, ये तो famous है, उनके कुछ effect नहीं होगा. But maybe they are so upset and that one comment can just trigger the wrong way and it can go horribly wrong for that person. So we should just be kind and nice to others and you take care of yourself ना. आप देखो आप क्या better कर सकते हो. Why you going out and commenting something
Correct.
bad? If you want to comment nice things. Like that would help a person, really.
बट तुम्हारे सोशल मीडिया पे बिफोर इवन यू से कि कमेंट नाइस थिंग्स लोग अपने आप करते हैं बिकॉज़ दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ मैंने अभी तक एक भी अनुष्का के पोस्ट में अभी होगा कि नहीं होगा मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे दिखा नहीं है अभी तक एक भी नेगेटिव कमेंट एंड यू सीइंग दैट मींस कि तुमने खुद भी वो रियलाइज किया होगा व्हिच इज अ ग्रेट थिंग बिकॉज़ यू नो इन टुडेस टाइम अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर हेटेड फॉर वेरियस रीजंस बट to not be hated is an achievement in itself and I think that's a great thing.
Touch wood.
Touch wood. I want to ask you one, I believe, two questions, and then we'll quickly wrap it up with the fun segment. वो ये है कि you spoke about stress and depression and all. Have you ever dealt with it yourself? Because जितना काम का pressure होता है, personal life होता है, वो कभी-कभी balance नहीं हो पाता in the way that you will शायद your family have certain expectations from you as well, which you are sometimes not able to cater to because of your professional commitments. कभी you have yourself dealt with depression, and if you have, then how have you come out of it?
So I would be brutally honest and like I said, the depression is something which is very serious. It's a genuine problem and we should not say it casually. There's a difference between being sad, stressed and being depressed.
Absolutely.
People think it's the same thing, but it's not. Trust me, because I know when somebody has gone through depression, I've seen them, how they have been. And that's why I would say I've not been depressed. God has been kind. I have had amazing parents, my friends. I've credited them before also, but genuinely I'll keep saying that because of them like I said, that this industry is very tricky and it can get overwhelming sometimes. When you're happy, you're very happy. When you're sad, it can get really sad and really lonely. But thankfully, I have had the privilege of having amazing people around me. So when stress is constant,
वो तो है।
stress तो like when I'm happy also I'm stressed कि अरे
एक
ये
और
खत्म नहीं हो
कहावत
जाए।
एक कहावत और बताता हूँ, जितना उम्र बढ़ेगा उतना स्ट्रेस
स्ट्रेस
बढ़ेगा।
बढ़ेगा। Oh my god, बस चश्मे का नंबर नहीं बढ़े।
नहीं, that hopefully will not.
Hopefully will not. But yeah, so stress is constant, but dealing with it has always been constant because after an age you understand ki this is stressing me out and this is the solution. And yeah, I think it's important. You have to be aware of what you're going through, and then only you will find a solution. If you're in a denial, then you'll never know what's wrong. I think half of the people are just in denial. They don't know. फेक हैप्पीनेस, लाइक नहीं लेट्स जस्ट लिसन टू म्यूजिक। वो तो एडवाइस जो लोग देते हैं ना कि आप अपसेट हो, गाने सुन लो, गाने सुन लो ब्रो, मतलब क्या बोल रहे हो आप? लाइक इट्स not like it's not that easy. So I feel do what you love. If listening to music makes you happy, do it. But yeah, more
Don't
than
be
everybody,
choosy about others. लोगों को
Yeah.
खुद का खुद चूज करने दो, that is the most important
like
thing.
if you're giving advice, be just caring and be helpful and not be like, अरे what you're stressing about is small. वो सबसे खराब चीज है।
सबसे खराब
lot
चीज
of people do that they're
I
like
know,
नहीं
I know.
नहीं आपका stress तो कितना छोटा है, मेरा stress it's not
Why compare?
talking about the rat race that you were talking about. It's not a rat race, it's a race with yourself. You're the only one who's running. It's a journey where you have to get ahead. It's not round and round, it's आगे. So you have to just get that. You're alone in the race.
Yeah.
There's nobody there.
Yeah.
So if you know that, then you're like मैं कल से better कर रही हूँ ना।
At least sorted in your own mind, and I
Yeah.
think then you are
My
sorted
dad
by
keeps
50%.
telling me when I'm stressing out, when I'm like, oh my god, why am I not doing this? Why am I not doing that? He's like, last year से आप better कर
Better
रहे
ही
हो
कर रहे हो ना।
ना? Big win. I'm
नहीं,
like,
सही, so true.
my parents are the best, dude. Like, oh
cute.
my god, I wish I could. Now what I'll do is I'll write every advice down and make a book.
You know what? Let me tell you, ये will
So-
try. Next podcast that we do with Anushka, hopefully we'll have a parents as well. I really want to do that because I want to
don't
get.
think so.
वो लोग नहीं करेंगे.
They are very anti-social people.
Oh.
They don't come in front of the camera, but you can give it a shot.
I will try because वो उसका अलग पर्सपेक्टिव निकलेगा, ये कुछ बोलेगी, वो कुछ बोलेंगे, तो मजा आएगा उस चीज में. But we'll
बिल्कुल.
try that for later. Last question before I quickly move to a segment would be कि you mentioned about the concept, the importance of your parents, right? खुद पे ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होना इज गुड,
Yeah.
पेरेंट्स के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होना इज गुड, बट देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन से फॉर एग्जांपल यू कांट रीच आउट अबाउट सर्टेन थिंग्स टू योर पेरेंट्स.
Yeah.
उस टाइम पे तुम्हारे जो सबसे नजदीकी दोस्त होते हैं वो काम आते हैं बिकॉज
बिल्कुल.
यू कैन ओपन योर हार्ट आउट टू देम,
Yeah.
राइट? आई वांट यू टू टॉक अबाउट perhaps 2 or 3 of your closest friends from perhaps the Indian film, the entertainment industry, who you know कि कुछ भी हो जाए they will always have your back.
Oh, that's really sweet. People think that in the industry, friendships are very difficult, but it's not. Friendships are difficult in general. मतलब don't blame our industry, don't blame
उससे
actors
इंडस्ट्री
for
का
that.
कुछ लेना देना नहीं
कभी
है.
कभी बहुत बुरा लगता है कि नहीं एक्टर्स की नहीं जमती. अरे ऐसा थोड़ी है, कॉर्पोरेट में भी होता होगा ना कि उनकी नहीं जमती. But I feel if you do find friends at work or during work, I think it's the best thing ever. Like you said, कि sometimes you need your friends more than your parents or something like that. I am very close to my parents. Like my parents almost know everything that's going on with me क्योंकि मेरे से रहता ही नहीं है. It doesn't stay in my stomach. I'll just like be like,
Let
mom,
it
this
out.
is happening. Dad, this is happening. I'll take
Yeah.
advices from them. But my friends are also an integral part of my life because they have always been that supportive. Siddharth is one of those friends from the industry who's been my constant friend for about 6-7 years. And ऐसे हुए times where हमने बात नहीं की 3-4 महीने, not because we have fought or anything, just because he's been busy, I've been busy. वो tough हो जाता है when you're two actors because our timelines can sometimes not match. So it becomes a problem. But then after you have some time, that day only I was catching up with him for lunch and I was telling him my problems, he was telling me his problems. Then we were talking about work and in general, and it's amazing that आप एक ही ऑलमोस्ट लाइक इंडस्ट्री में हो, दोनों ने ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर शुरुआत की है, बचपन से हम काम कर रहे हैं. इफ यू हैव फ्रेंड्स यू कैन टॉक टू, इट्स जस्ट सच अ ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग बिकॉज यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट गेटिंग लाइक फेमस टुगेदर and getting successful,
Hustling together, growing
hustling
together.
Yeah, it's beautiful, right? Like it's amazing. So he's one of those friends. So many, all my Dil Dosti Dilemma people, Vikush, Revati, Vishakha, Elisha, they're all people who who in their own lives are hustlers, and we are in a different place in our careers, but they're all equally very like passionate about their jobs. And it's amazing when you see passion in people, and then you talk about work, you talk about your passion and your dreams. It's beautiful, and when I see them succeed, it makes you feel so nice. So I've
Oh,
made
nice.
so many friends over the years, and I love to catch up with them, like constantly catch up. Like मैं इतने lunches के मैं क्या बताऊँ? It's amazing. Touch wood.
Do you and Sid, because you mentioned, do you and Sid sometimes feed off each other's energy, because वो भी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है.
जी, जी.
So how do you ensure कि यार तुम दोनों एक दूसरे के energy से feed off करके और better करो, because even 10 years down the line you want to talk कि यार 2024 में याद है we were talking about
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
34 में you are in this position, I am in this position.
Yeah.
We have grown together. Do you
Yeah.
feed off each other's energy?
Yeah, we always discuss like that. Ki, see, when we were 12, 13, this was happening.
How cute.
And then social media came in. So then this struggle happened. But then we overcame it. And then it's nice to discuss not only work wise, but also your personal wins. Like he's also a family person, and like he talks about how he wants his family to also grow with him, and he wants to do things for his family. I'm also like that. I'm very
and
family
एक
oriented.
मैं just 2 सेकंड लेना चाहूंगा. I always call him very inspiring because उसने अपने फैमिली को उस टाइम पे संभाला जिस टाइम पे कोई नहीं था.
Absolutely.
99% kids of that age will break down out
Yeah.
of pressure and stress, but उसने उसको as a जिम्मेदारी लिया जिस तरीके से निखार के वो आया. So
बिल्कुल.
I know Siddharth is not here in this interview, but I think he always deserves that respect.
Yes.
Not just because of being a good artist and a hardworking artist, but because of his sincere love towards his family. Today
Yeah.
they're also proud of him. But
Absolutely.
this time पे उसने वो संभाला. I think deserves a
And
whole lot of
discipline.
credit.
Discipline is incredible. Hard work. All actors that I know personally, they're so disciplined in their lives, and they're working out every day. They're seeing what they're eating, and so about their craft, how they can get better. So it's really
Yeah.
nice and inspiring to see that. I think that's why when people think that they're your competitors, even the
Yeah.
like everybody I know, like Avneet is doing so well, and Jannat's doing so well. Everybody, all my friends that I know, there's no competition, because I'm like, again, it's not a rat race, it's a race. Individual.
yourself.
Yeah, and I'm like, yeah, we all started so early. We're all doing great in our personal lives, and I'm so proud of them. Honestly, I want everybody. Like, I want कि people who have come from the outside, कैसे 3-4 नाम तो रहे ही कि नहीं ये सब कुछ नहीं थे, and ये आज खुद की empire उन्होंने खड़ी कर दी. So I really feel amazing that people are doing so well.
How
in their
nice,
lives.
how nice, and it should always be this way, guys. I think a lot of questions that you all wanted me to talk about, हम लोग ने बात किया,
जी.
and certain things जो मुझे खुद को पूछना था वो भी मैंने पूछा. But then overall the conversation went really nice. Time निकालना, I think the most precious thing that you can give to anybody in today's time is time. तो उन्होंने अगर अपना टाइम मुझे गिफ्ट किया है, then मैं उनके लिए थोड़ा सा एक चीज लेके आया हूँ as a
Oh my
gift.
God,
So this is the kind of
sweet.
surprise that I was talking. अभी खोल के देखो, now you'll understand why I related with your outfit.
Oh my God, you didn't.
अभी बोलो ये गुड सरप्राइज है कि बैड
This
सरप्राइज?
is a great surprise. Oh my God, I'm gonna wear it like this week only.
I want to see you wearing this very
This
soon.
is so pretty. Let me see this nicely
cute.
and show everybody. Such a sweet.
How
Oh
sweet.
wow, such a sweet gesture.
So this is just my way of thanking somebody who has been there as a support right from the beginning in terms of good wishes से लेके a lot of other things, and जैसा कि I believe तुमने भी कहीं ना कहीं जिंदगी में ऐसा मतलब देखा होगा कि जब सक्सेसफुल बन जाते हो कोई चीज को लेके, a lot of people come, but then when you start growing, the people who are with you at that point of time, they are the ones who matter the most. And as far as I think the celebrity and public figure space is concerned, I won't say कि we are the best of friends, but there's always that connection because of which I always feel कि उसका जो success है, that's my personal success, and I'm sure it's going to be the same way for her as well, where
Absolutely.
I perhaps eventually grow that way.
Absolutely.
And we'll talk about this day. We had this kick-ass podcast. We discussed so many things, and I think it's a little emotional for me as well.
I know.
But thank you so much for coming. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for this. Thank you for this podcast.
Thank you
I
so
hope that what you said in the future, we're going to discuss this day again.
Absolutely. And guys, like I said, this was Anushka for you all. One of the most successful, I believe, Gen Z inspirations and icons that you can have in today's time. And what I love is that सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, इंडिया के बाहर भी she is equally focusing and slaying. I hope that continues for her. A lot of people who wanted that podcast with Anushka to happen, finally it has happened. Do drop in your comments below, and I would love to see what you all have to say. And बस इसी तरह इसको support करते रहो. That is the most important thing that she would want, I would want, because तुम्हारे support से she'll feed off that good energy and work even harder. So guys, thank you so much. That's a wrap on the Sunny G show. I'll see you all very soon with another interesting episode, another interesting guest. Very soon. That's a wrap. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. And thank you.
Thank you.